Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Doing an AC recharge on a customer's vehicle. This is a DIY version of it. This is a Toyota Highlander limited edition. There's his low side, which is right down there. He started off at 2025, which made his compressor cut on and off. I'm going to actually get it to 35 because it's only 80 degrees outside. With that being said, he started at 80 degrees inside of his vents inside the vehicle. So everything that I'm using, from the gauges to this, is in my Mobile Mechanic store. You can go to themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com, or if you're on my TikTok, you can go to my link tree on my bio page and click on the Amazon store. Always check furthest away from the evaporator, which is going to be on the driver's side, and get your true temperature. At idle, he is at 44 and dropping. He's supposed to be 30 degrees colder than what's outside. 30 degrees colder than what's outside. And he's already made the mark and some, and still dropping. When he drives, he's going to get colder, and as he revs up the engine, it's going to get colder. But we're talking about idle at this moment. As you can see, the numbers don't lie. Also, I sell documents. You can go to my link tree. You can get the pressure charts when I'm selling documents. You can get the pressure charts for the new Freon and the old Freon. It also gives you different scenarios on the gauges and the highs and lows for a diagnosis to save you a lot of time. For instance, if your car is going hot and cold, check your expansion valve. It will tell you how to check it. It'll actually tell you, for an example, what the gauges are supposed to look like on the high and low, if that is the case. Or if you have a high pressure on your low side, no matter what, it gives you different scenarios to save you a lot of time. Just to give you an example, pre-purchase used car inspections, how to protect yourself from getting paid from the customer, rules, everything that you're going to need from starting your own business. And if that doesn't work for you, we do free one-on-one consultations at themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. If you're on TikTok, you can go to my link tree and you can check all of those links. If you're on YouTube, you can go to themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. And this is just an AC tip to help you guys make money as a mobile mechanics or DIYs. Everything is in the stores and it's self-explanatory.